Alright, this is going to be a fun one. Let's go. This is a lot of Diet Pepsi here. Wow. As you guys can tell here, today's challenge is 3 liters of Diet Pepsi. This is zero sugar Diet Pepsi. That's right, you guys read the title right. I'm going to be seeing how fast I can take down 3 liters of Diet Pepsi. It feels like a while since I've done like a big chug challenge. I know I've done some in the past, but it feels like it's been a minute. So today I decided to come back with something big, something strong. This is all together 100 ounces, probably like over 100 ounces of Diet Pepsi. I'm just gonna be seeing how fast I can take down this 3 liters of this here Pepsi Zero. Let's go. I'm actually excited for this because like I said, it's been a minute since I've done like something big like this, a big chug, especially like soda pop. So let's go. Let's see how fast we can chug this. Also, make sure you guys go down below, smash the like button, spam the like button. You guys already know what it is. You know the drill. So you guys know to get like a billion, gazillion likes on this video. Let's go. I always like to open these like beforehand because I don't want to open them in the middle of a challenge and it just like splatters everywhere. So I know of a lot of you out there like, why does he open it before? It just makes it easier and faster. 3 liters Pepsi Zero. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm ready for this. Alright, ready and go. Holy, we got some loud burps today. Alright. Gotta make sure all of them are empty. Alright, 3 to go. We got this. Let's go. This is a workout for me, honestly. And let's go. Two bottles left of Pepsi Zero. We got this all day. Let's go. Make sure you guys smash the like button. Five bottles. Time. Oh, what just happened? 100 ounces down, 3 liters. There it was. That was 100 ounces, 3 liters of Pepsi Zero, Diet Coke, whatever you want to call it. That was a pretty fun challenge. I haven't done anything heavy like that in a minute. I think the time was like close to like 6 minutes or something like that. I'll leave it right up on the screen right there, but I don't really care about the time. But we finished. Challenge completed. If you guys want to see something similar like this, anything like this, because like I want to bring back these challenges of me just chugging like an excessive amount of like soda pop or something like that, comment down below because I'm ready for the heavy challenges. Today's shout out goes to Eric Larios once again, this 3rd time. Thank you so much for being so active. I appreciate all of you guys. If you guys do want to shout out, make sure you guys have post notifications on so you can be the first one to comment on a video. So your comment will be pinned. Also, you get a shout out in the next video. So if you guys want to shout out, make sure you guys do that. Hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. Road to 2K. We're getting so close to it every single day. Like, we're growing so fast, I can't even explain it. That is gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share, subscribe if you're new, stay lit. Always stay lit, guys, and see you guys on the next one. And we're out.